Okay, so first we'll start with the numericals. Question number 14. What force is applied on the piston of area of cross-section 2 centimeters square to obtain a force of 150 Newton on the piston of area of cross-section 12 centimeters square? Which formula will be used? Switch on your cameras, please. What force is applied on a piston? So which formula should we use? Janvi, Ashi, Ayan, which formula should we use? Janvi, which formula you have used? You have to be quick enough. Ayan, switch on your camera. Janvi, you have done the sums. Which formula you have used?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Ayan.
Ma'am, pressure on the piston is equal to pressure on the wider piston. D1 equal
P1
to
is equal to
P2.
P2 by according to Pascal's law. So F1 upon A1 is equal to F2 upon A2. So F1 you do not know. So F1 we do not know. A1 is 2 centimeters square. That is equal to F2 we know is 150 Newton and A2 is 12 centimeters square. So you can find out F1 is equal to 150 into 2 divided by 12. So 25 Newton force. क्यों आशी क्यों नहीं समझ में आया ये? Question number 13. Two cylindrical vessels with piston A and piston B of area of cross section 8 centimeters square and 320 centimeters square respectively are joined at the bottom by a tube and are completely filled with water. When a mass of 4 kg is placed on piston A, so the pressure on piston A, so mass of 4 kg is on piston A.
Thrust upon
Yes, so pressure on A will be thrust upon
thrust
area.
upon
So thrust will be equal to
0.5.
4 kgf upon area is 8 centimeter, 8 into 10 raised to power minus 4, correct? Okay, you can give the answer in centimeter square. Okay, so yes.
Ma'am, actually there was some network issues, so I couldn't hear you.
Okay, so we have done this question number 14. Cross-check your answer. And so we get here 0.5 kgf per centimeter square. So we have the pressure now. So what the second part is? The pressure on piston B. So pressure on B will be equal to pressure on A, right? According to Pascal's law. So it is 0.5 kgf per centimeter square. Now thrust on piston B. So we know that F1 upon A1 is equal to F2 upon A2. So F1 is 4 kgf. This is 8 is equal to F2 we do not know, and this is 320. So 4 into 320 divided by 8 is equal to F2. So 160 Newton force. Oh, sorry, 160 kgf. Since it is in kgf. Question 12. Force of 50 kgf is applied on a smaller piston of hydraulic machine, neglecting friction. Find the force exerted on the larger piston if the diameters of the piston are given 5 centimeter and 25 centimeter. Ashi, can you tell me how to do this sum?
Yes, ma'am. Force 1 is equal to.
What is area 1?
Ma'am, 5 centimeter.
Is that area?
Sorry, ma'am, that's diameter.
Diameter. So area will be
Pi r square.
pi r square. And what is area 2?
Ma'am, why we will do it with divide by 2?
That is diameter. Diameter divided by 2. Radius.
Oh, sorry. Yes. Ma'am, over here the same, it will be 25 upon 2 square into pi.
So what formula we are using?
Ma'am, Pascal's law, that F1 is equals to F1 upon A1 is equals to F2 upon A2. By that we will cut pi.
Two will get cancelled.
kgf. Rest you can do, right? Yes or no?
What did you ask?
Rest of the sums you could do, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'll go back to the chapter 3, part C, part E. We had started with the numericals and then we had stopped. So let me complete those numericals first. So till what question did we do the numericals of chapter 3E? Please check up to where did we do? क्या करते हो अपनी नोटबुक्स पे नहीं रखते हो क्या आप लोग?
No, ma'am, opening on the page.
हाँ, check. Yes, Janvi, up to where did we do?
Mama, I think we have to do from 5 or from 6.
Question?
Question 5 or 6.
Question 5 or 6. In your notebook, how much it is written? Up to which question it is written?
Ma'am, then 4 I've written.
4 you have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll go backwards. Question 20. A ball is thrown vertically upward from a tower, from the top of a tower with initial velocity of 19.6. Okay, do you people remember the equation of the motion? When a ball is thrown up, G is negative, and when a body is falling down, G is positive. Do you people remember this?
Yes, ma'am.
And then these are the equation. So when a ball is thrown up, V is 0. When a ball is coming down, U is 0. Okay, suppose this is a building, and if you drop anything from here, so U will be 0. When a ball is thrown up, so U is something, whatever is U is, let's say, 5, suppose 5 meter per second. Then when it falls down, the same ball, when it will fall down, V will be also 5 meter per second. So the speed with which the ball is sent up, it returns, the final speed is the same. Initial speed, U, will be equal to final speed while coming down. If time taken while going up is 3 seconds, then time taken while coming down will be also 3 seconds. Okay, so when a body is thrown up, G is negative. Upward motion. G is negative. U is there. U will be anything, let's say, X meter per second. V will be always 0. V will be always 0. Downward motion. G is positive, U is 0, and V will be X meter per second. So time taken to go up, T1 is equal to T2. Time taken to come down. Is this clear for everyone? This is very important aspect. Huh? You have to know all these things, otherwise you won't be able to solve the questions. Everything clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll start from question number 9. a ball is released from the height. So when it is released from height, what is U? Quickly.
0.
0. Ma'am, initial velocity will be 0.
Did you find out the answer? H is equal to ut plus half gt square. So this is 0 plus half into 9.8 into 3 into 3. So find out the answer quickly.
Ma'am, can I
We
see
did
the answer?
question number 9. I remember doing question number 9. You people are saying we did. I remember doing question number 9.
Ma'am, can I see the answer?
You people don't note down or what? Final velocity u plus g t. So 0 plus 9.8 into 3. So that is equal to 29.4 meter s minus 1. Question number 10. What force in Newton your muscle need to apply to hold a mass of 5 kg in your hand? State the assumption. So if the force is equal to mg, so 5 into 9.8 when we are assuming it, so then it becomes 49 Newton, or else you can write m into g, that is 5 into 10. So we are assuming 10, g as 10. G as 10 meter s minus 2. Here we are assuming G as 9.8 meter s minus 2. Is this clear? Ayan, Dhyan, Janvi, you have to say something.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ball is thrown vertically up. What will be G? Tell me quickly, what will be G when ball is thrown vertically up?
9.8
Plus or minus?
minus.
Yes, minus, it is given 10 meter per second square. So we will put 10 meter. What will be V when a ball is thrown up? What is V?
0.
Yes, 0. And U is given. A ball is thrown vertically up. No, it is not given. It goes to a height of 10-20 meter and returns to the ground. So U is not given to us. Height is given 20 meter. So find the initial velocity. So which formula will be used? We don't have T. This is 0. We do not know U. This is 2 into minus 10 into 20. So it becomes 400 is equal to U square. And therefore U is equal to plus minus 20. And therefore U cannot be minus 20. Therefore U is equal to 20 meter S minus 1. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So now you have to find the final velocity of the ball on reaching the ground. So when it comes to ground, we know that V falling down is equal to U while throwing up, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is equal to 20 meter s minus 1. Total time for the journey. So you have to find out. So we know that V is equal to U plus AT. So 0 is equal to 20 plus minus 10 into T. So 10T equals to 20. So T is equal to 2 seconds. So while going up 2 seconds, while coming down 2 seconds. So total time 4 seconds. You have to write while going up 2 seconds, therefore while coming down 2 seconds. So total time is 4 seconds. Any doubt so far? Please do question number 12 and send me the picture quickly. Question number 12 and send me the picture in the group. Send me the picture fast.
Ma'am, I have sent you.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have also sent you.
You should write unit, Ayan.
Ma'am also sent you.
Yes, everybody is not writing the unit. Answer is correct. Unit is wrong. Yes, Janvi, correct. Unit is also written. Ashi,
Ma'am, I'm not understanding how to do it.
what you are not understanding? Read the question. Read the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Read it loudly.
A body is dropped from the top of a
Read it
tower.
loudly. So drop from the top of the tower. What is you? When it is dropped
Zero.
from the tower, what is you?
Zero.
0. Yes. And what is G? Positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. Yes. Then read.
It requires a velocity of 20 meter per second square.
So what is this 20 meter? What is this 20 meter per second?
Velocity.
Velocity. Final velocity. So you have V, you have U, you have G, and you have to find H. Which formula will we use? Which formula do we have to use? What are the 3 formulas? Why did you note down when I had written the formula? Did you note down?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, I had noted down some of them, but then you rubbed it quickly, so I couldn't.
I didn't rub. I didn't rub anything. And this is not first time that you're doing the equation of motion. Equation of motion already done in chapter 2. It's a repetition. Which formula will we use?
Yes, ma'am, I will just tell you.
V square is equal to U square plus 2GH.
Ma'am, I think we use this formula right now in the last question, right?
What?
Ma'am, we use this formula in the last question, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Send me the answer quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
Those who have done question number 12, please do question number 13.
Ma'am, the formula is U square is equals to V square plus 2H, right? 2GH.
V square is equal to U square plus 2GH. Did you get it, Ashi? Ashi, did you get it? Ashi,
Yes, ma'am.
did you get it?
Yes, ma'am. I'm just writing the unit.
Mama, after 12, you have to do 13.
Yeah, 13. Send me the picture.
Okay, Mama, I'll solve and send.
Ma'am, ma'am, actually my phone is on charge and it is dead, so I cannot send you photos.
You
So
got
I
the
will
answer?
just, ma'am, I got 20 meter.
Yes. It is there on the board. You check it. This is there on the board.
Okay, ma'am, I will check.
Everybody has done question number 13.
Yes, ma'am, I have sent you.
Yeah, you have sent me the answer, but I want.
Mama, I've done the first part. Now I'm doing the second.
And the first part,
Yes, ma'am, first part completed.
Rudra, if you're watching it on YouTube, please send it. Send the picture. Send the picture of question number 13 quickly. Ayan,
Yes, ma'am.
got the 13th one?
No, ma'am, it went wrong, so I'm doing it again.
Sure. Now in question number 13, the total time taken is given 6 seconds. That means 3 seconds to go up and 3 seconds to come down. You have to know this. This is the most important thing. That's the crux. If you know this, then you will get it.
Mama, I've sent you the first part. Now I do the second.
Correct. So 3 seconds to go up and 3 seconds to come down. So while going up, V will be 0, right? G will be negative. So V is 0. So 0 is equal to U plus minus GT. So you get U is equal to 30 meters per second. And H is equal to UT plus half GT square. So 30 into 3 plus half minus 10 into 3 into 3. So you get the height 45 meters. Ayan, is this clear to you? Ashi, is this question clear to you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm just noting down the answers which you have written. I'm just checking it.
Please don't blindly note down. You have to understand and do. These sums are very, very important.
Okay, ma'am.
Those who have done this 13th, please start working on 14th. Correct, Dhyan. Ashi, did you understand question number 13?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 14, did you get?
Yes, ma'am. I'm just doing it.
Okay. Did everybody get question number 14?
Yes, ma'am, sending you only.
Okay, please do it fast. Janvi,
Yes, ma'am, I got.
Rudra,
Ma'am, I've also sent you the answer in the chat. Is it okay? Is it right?
yes.
Ma'am, is it right?
Correct.
Correct. Okay. ma'am.
Now I have sent you 14th one.
Okay. Why it is half into 10 into 4? Which formula did you use? When the ball is thrown up, U is 20. Check it on the board. Janvi, please, you also post how you have done it.
Ma'am, I have used h is equal to half gt square.
No, how it will be? U is not 0. While coming down, it will be half gt square because U is 0. While going up, U is not 0. You have to use this formula. It is thrown up, right? When it is thrown up, U is given to us. Janvi, send me the picture quickly.
Oh, yeah, ma'am, I forgot to send it.
Yeah, send me. Let me check whether you are doing wrong or right. Ash, you have done in the same way what I have shown on the board.
Yes, ma'am. I've used the same formula.
Okay. Then start doing question number 15, please. Correct, Rudra. All of you do question number 15.
Okay, ma'am.
Correct, Janvi? Rudra, but it is t square equals to 16. So what will be t?
Ma'am, 4 seconds.
So t will be square root of 16. Na? It cannot be 16 by 2. 16 by 2 is 8. It is square root
Sorry,
of
ma'am.
16.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah, you can even use v is equal to u plus at.
Ma'am,
Correct. Rudra, second part.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
Janvi.
ma'am, the photo which I have sent you,
Yeah, now.
after that step, what have to write?
What you have written 80 is equal to half t square. So 80, yeah. So make t the subject of the formula. So t equals to 16, right? T square, not t. Where is your square left?
Yes, ma'am.
T square is equal to 16, na? 80 upon 5, 16. So then you will get t. T equals to square root of 16.
Okay, ma'am.
I sent it fast, yes. Correct. Correct. Done, correct. So here is the question number 15 on the board. Those who have done 15 move to 16. Ashi,
Yes, ma'am.
checked.
Okay, ma'am.
Have you checked what you have done?
Yes, ma'am. I'm just checking only.
Okay. Janvi, did you get your mistake?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I've corrected and sent you again.
Correct. Why, Janvi? V square is equal to U square plus 2GH. So then V square, you are getting 40. How?
I mistakenly wrote there. You said 14 also.
No, V square, you are writing V square is equal to U square plus 2GH. Where is 2 gone? आपने 2 लिखा ही नहीं वहां पे. 2GH, 2 कहाँ गया? And H is not 4, H is 80. I think you used different formula and you have done by my formula. My formula I used V is equal to U plus GT. And you have used V square is equal to U square plus 2GH. Did you understand your mistake?
Yes, ma'am.
Change the formula. Rudra, which question is this?
Ma'am, 16.
16th one. Correct. Very good.
Okay, ma'am.
To the 17th one.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in 17 it will be minus 9.8, na?
Is it going up? Coming down? Oh, no. Yes, minus. Minus. Yes, Dhyan, correct. 16, 17, both are correct. Very good.
Ma'am, we have to take minus 9.8 or 9.8.
Minus 9.8 when it is going up. When going up,
Okay, ma'am.
G is negative. Rudra, which one? Yes, correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Correct. Correct. Janvi. Correct, Janvi. Ashi. Did you get question number 16?
Yes, ma'am. I'm just checking question number 16 if it's right or not.
Now it is shown on the board. Please check.
Yeah, ma'am.
Those who have done question number 16 and not sent me, please check. Question number 18, Rudra, Dhyan, correct. Very good.
Yes, ma'am. It is right.
Yeah, question number 17, please check quickly. Rudra, write small h for height. It is not capital H.
Okay, ma'am.
Correct. Rudra, correct. Very good. Ayan, are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Mine is right. Question number 70.
Okay. Complete question number 18 quickly. Eighteen is very simple.
Ma'am, I got the 18th answer.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have also sent you 18.
Ma'am, I have sent you 19.
Okay, this is 18.
Ma'am, I've sent you. Can you please check it if it is right?
Yes.
Ma'am, in the chat.
Yes, Janvi, it is correct for you. Rudra, correct. Very good. Dhyan, correct. First part, second part, Dhyan. 19th ka. Ashi, it is correct. 18th. Start doing 19th.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, 19th, I'll explain. So this is question number 19. This is the well, and a pebble is dropped from the uh, top of the well. So it goes down and it takes 20 seconds to reach the water level. So it takes 20 seconds to reach the water surface. So G is given 10 meter, U 0 because it is dropped from top to down. So with H is equal to UT plus half GT square, we get H is equal to 1000 meter. Now there is a mistake, technical mistake in the question. It is given that the time when the echo is heard, it is not when the echo is heard, the time when the sound is heard. Okay, so the sound produced has to come back, right? So the distance traveled by the sound is equal to 22,000 meter. Speed of the sound is 330. And so it comes to 6.06. And so the total time after which the sound is heard is 20 plus 6.1. So it becomes 26.1.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, I have written 26.06.
correct. That is also correct. That is also correct. Last question. Is this clear for everyone? Everybody has noted?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, last question. This is a very important and interesting question. All of you have to pay attention to this. So in this question, a ball is thrown vertically upward from the top of a tower. So this is a building. So from this building, from the top of the building, a ball is thrown up. Okay, it is thrown up from the top of the building with an initial velocity. So here U is equal to 19.6 meter per second. If the ball reaches the ground after 5 seconds, so then it falls down to the ground. After 5 seconds, it is being thrown up. So the total time taken for the ball to go up and come down is 5 seconds. Calculate the height of the tower. Calculate the velocity of ball on reaching the ground. Now, first thing, you have to find out how much time it goes up. So we know that when it is thrown up, V will be 0. So V is equal to U plus minus G into T. So 0 is equal to 19.6 plus minus 9.8 into T. So 9.8 T is equal to 19.6. So therefore T equals to 2 seconds. So it takes 2 seconds to go up. So total time taken was 5 seconds. So time taken to go up is 2 seconds. Time taken to go down is 5 minus 2, 3 seconds. And this second is this 3 second is this total time. This total time. Are you understanding my point? From upper se niche. So first you can also find out up to the height which it goes up. So height to which it goes up, h is equal to ut plus half gt square. Or we can use v square is equal to u square plus 2gh. I think that is easier. V square is equal to u square. दोनों ही difficult है. Okay, I will use h is equal to ut plus half gt square. So 19.6 into 2 plus half minus 9.8 into 2 into 2. So it becomes 12, 1 in hand, 38, 39.2 minus 19.6. So you will get the height. So it is 0.689, 19.6 meter high it went. Now, total time taken to come down is 3 seconds. So total height it went down is equal to, again, we will do the same thing. U is 0 when it is coming down plus half into 9.8 into 3. Into 3.
We're calculating the time height, which is
Is total height now.
okay.
It came down. And ये वाली height हमको मिल गई है 19.6. So this is the total height it went up, down. So height of the tower. There is other way also to do. बहुत easy method हो जाएगा वो. See, 2 seconds to go up, so 2 seconds to come down up to the height this. So only 1 second का distance आप निकाल सकते हो. But then आपके पास final velocity, initial velocity नहीं है. So this is the only way to do. This is the only way to do.
Ma'am, I've done in 1 second method.
1 second method you did?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
But then 1 second का आप कैसे निकालोगे? You cannot take 0 ना, क्योंकि ये मिड पॉइंट पे है ना कहीं.
Yes, ma'am.
आपको आंसर मिला ध्यान?
Yes, ma'am.
कैसे मिला? What did you do?
Ma'am, I'll send you the photo.
Yeah, you tell ना, you tell. H is equal to ut plus half at square or u square plus g. वो क्या किया आपने?
Ma'am, to find the height the ball was thrown, I used v square minus u square is equal to 2j into h. And to find out the height of the tower, I used s is equal to ut plus half gt square.
आपने यही यूज करके फिर इसको सब्स्टिट्यूट किया ना?
हाँ मैम.
तो बात तो वही हो गई. ठीक है, because otherwise you cannot do. So is this part clear to everyone so that I can show you the second part? The velocity of the ball while going down. So we know that v is equal to u plus gt. So u is 0, g was 10 into 3. No, 9.8 into 3. 10 nahi hai na. 9.8 into 3. So it is 24, 2 in hand, 27 and 2, 29. So 29.2 meter S minus 1. Okay. Quickly tell me yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, so tomorrow we have regular class. So 5:30 or 6, tell me the time.
6.
6.
Yes, ma'am. 6 is fine.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am. 6.
so tomorrow. Okay, part. So I'll be completing part B. Then on Saturday, I'm starting 5th chapter.
Could you repeat?
Portion. Did you get the portion, exam portion?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
See, what I'm saying is that tomorrow I will complete part B of 4th chapter. Okay. And I'll complete the numericals. And on Saturday, we will have class. Saturday, I think we will have class 11 o'clock. Okay.
11 a.m.
11 a.m.
Yes.
Everybody's fine? 11 a.m.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yeah. So then Saturday, I will start with 5th chapter. Okay. So we stop here. Once I complete physics, then I'll complete chemistry. I think chemistry, only one chapter we have to do water. Let's see what is your portion. So till I get the portion.